If this a girl have come around everybody who's getting up. Don't man sneeze right. No man.
Sorry, I told me that what you said we do. Now you call me, you know. Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Click that bell notification so you can be notified when a video drops. I haven't posted in a while, guys, but I'm back with another prank. But me just prank me family. Me never get to do the intro because I never get everything ready. Them they already go which part I wanted them. You know where I was going to set up the camera and thing. So me couldn't bother do the intro. Me have to just run straight through it, set up the camera and just bam, execute the thing. You understand me? But anyway guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe and share. So yeah, so basically I don't do too much talking. It's you see it from the title already. You understand me? Me I sneeze for them and thing. Which an actual sneeze, but yeah. So guys, watch the entire video and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Yeah, because somebody send them that. Do not nobody is saying you nothing nice for yours. So oh you have something nice to say.
No.
Are they dancing? You go out yourself still. No.
Do you not call me?
You see, I go and take me.
Let me tell you when I spin around.
No, me at the orange star.
Let me say.
Watch
You know, it's hard. If this a girl have come around everybody who's getting up. Don't man sneeze right. No man.
Sorry, I told me that what you said we do. Now you call me, you know, don't call me.
Me not call you. You say me go watch it. You must spray me. God, boom.
If you. I will be get food. I will be get food. Tell the best I come now. I didn't sit there. I didn't see camera. Go somebody. Somebody. You can't come. Oh, do you know what's happening? Sorry, mommy. I told me that look at this man. I told me that look at this man. You know if you go on so.
Insipid, I don't want to drink it so.
Really? And that's time I be told you know, because my nose feel. You know what? So that's time I be told because my nose feel kind of. Mommy, let me text her and see if she can send me the next one.
No man, okay, get on see phone this so. You don't come near me.
Go for your phone, Jayla, because it's terrible.
I'm not terrible, me terrible.
An accident.
I'm sitting on that man spray me from the night. Them are serious time for people spray them a kind of way.
Don't you want to see that pop up? Which one is it? Right
This
over.
one's really
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm like, you know, so you can see it now. You don't see it.
I don't think it's not just Are you not tall? Nope. Yes, yes, sir. Okay. Come here, reach. Right those into my eye. Do you not reach right over our eye?
Let me hear my sprinkle. Just my sanitizer.
Exactly, exactly.
I'm going to get a nice thing.
No, me just trying to get a photo. When you accident,
So I'm serious now.
you never seen a corona.
No. Nobody have.
You need to see something.
I'm sure. I'm going to go for it. Go, mommy.
You know, first I call, she not here, she asked her for that the one day. I want to go look now here, she never send me that. Get a message.
See, man. No, man.
Get a message.
See, no, man. No, man. Again. You can't put it in your nose, Chrissy.
No, look at you.
No, I don't feel nothing coming.
Hope the camera catch everything, you know. Guys, we are open to see if listen. We open to see everything.
Do you feel when you ask me to put it over? Do you feel when you ask me to put it over? You better come to me, go
Man, jump in that block. Mommy! Sorry!
stiff on your foot, man.
Sorry.
Sure. What? Sure. You can't put this in more. You're still not the wall of me. We go when you feel like you want to put this in. Sure.
Sorry, brother.
When you come, you call up with the again. Right now, I'm telling you. She just sneeze up. You never joke, I say it. Yep.
Mommy, come here. Come here, mommy.
Mommy and the swat.
Come here. Come pick up a clothes. Listen to me. Myrna. Come here now. Come here now. Well, guys. You see them reaction? Mostly my mom, because me never know say my grandma when I go really think say me a sneeze pan them, because she was right here when me first you know, do one thing and thing. She was right here. So when me see she has say, so me see we can cover up your nose and whatever. So me say okay. She don't know nothing. So me I give her a dose. You understand me? So this is my partner. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your friend, your auntie, your uncle, your sister, your brother, the baby just born, to subscribe to my channel. Mommy, how you feel? Eh? You want me? How you feel, Myrna? Eh? How you feel? Anyways, sorry guys, me have a different bottle. I have a bigger bottle, but me I say no, that I got too obvious. So me convert it in a this one, but the cover too big for this. But me say listen to me, man. Sorry, no jailer. Me talk no. Me say listen to me. The show must go on. Come look, me say then come out of the veranda. Me I say no, man. The show must go on. Hope you guys enjoy this. Spam in the comment section if you don't have any ideas, any pranks, any challenge, anything that you guys would like me to do. Drop it down below.